Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to separate your subject from the background. I'm going to go Command J, and now I'm going to click on the fourth button over here, hold it down. You'll see you have different options. I'm going to just click on the quick selection tool. Now up here I'm going to click on the down arrow and I'm going to choose Cloud, and now select Subject, and it does a pretty good job. Now I will right click on the subject and do layer via copy. And so right now, if I turn these layers off, I'm going to see that I have a pretty good selection of the cow. And now I can go Command A, Command C, and I can go File New. I can create a new document. Okay, and then Command V to paste it. Now I'm going to go Command T and make it smaller. Now you may already have the other document created, in which case you can skip that step. I'm going to bring that down. And there you go. That's how you select a subject and copy it over to another background.